Hi there! In today's video, I'll show you how to add a photo to contact on your Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 6. Let's get started. As a first step, we will need to go to this phone application and to the contact list. Then, find the contact that you would like to add photo to and click on Edit. Here, click on this pencil which is near this avatar, and that's it. Here you'll be able to choose one of these suggested ones. You can also make a photo by clicking on the camera or choose any photo from the gallery. And the last option is to create AR emoji. This is kind of cool feature which creates 3D person of the person that you are going to photo. And I will choose something from gallery, for example this screenshot. You can zoom it as you want and move it around this photo, just like this. Click done and click save. And now your contact has photo. To save this, click save one more time, and now every time that this contact will call you or you will call them, you will see this photo as their avatar. And that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you, and thank you so much for watching.